Morning, class.
Morning.
How are you doing today?
Yeah, fine.
How was your lunch meal? It was fine. So, if it was fine, that is okay. Nimewapata masaa after lunch the session today. It's going to be a very interactive one and a very practical one. So, you guys ready?
Yes.
Yeah, that is nice. So, Ambrose. Who was the marker that is working? So, when is it? Today, no? 22nd.
27.
So, today class, we are going to talk about restoration of information materials. Restoration of information materials. Before we head on to the objectives of today's class, I would like one of us to tell us what we learned from our last section. So, unakumbuka our last session? What is our last session?
Classified information materials.
Yeah, it was identifying the types of restoration materials, isn't it? Now, from there now on today, we are now going to the practical aspect of restoration of information materials. Before we start, I would like the classes, zile vitabu nilikuwa nimewapatia zile gawa kwa groups kindly, and then as the class rep does that, Ambrose, we can organize ourselves into this as the first group and this one as the second group, isn't it?
Yes.
Right. You can, class rep, you can be doing that as I write the objectives. So, class, by the end of this session, you should be able to apply the various basic restoration techniques. Basic restoration techniques. So by the end of this lesson, this is our objective of today. Class rep, Stefan Nico. Yeah, that is nice. That is nice. So class, here we have the preservation techniques.
Yes.
The various preservation techniques. Now, using your gadgets, I would like you to look at the various preservation techniques. Using your gadgets. Kuna mtu amepata kitu? Yes. Sisi nimepata?
Proper shelving and storage.
Proper shelving. Any other? Good storage practices. For example, Sorry? Yes, for examples, folders, files, symbol.
Yes.
Envelopes. Another one. Yes, I'm lost. Digitalization.
Yes.
Digitalization preservation technique.
Yes.
Yes. Another one. Environmental control, exactly. Conservation treatments. Okay. Conservation treatments. Will allow me to write it in this angle as well now because I have a small working space. So, is there any other one? Yes, Francisca?
Deacidification.
Sorry?
I'm not sure.
Deacidification?
Yes.
Yes, it's also out there. Any other one?
Disaster preparedness.
Disaster preparedness. That is that a technique?
Yes.
Is it an environmental control?
Yes.
Yeah, single. This is disaster single. Yes. So those are the points that we have. Okay, I'd like to share. So from my end, I have others like pest control. I have others like staff and user education. Staff and user education. So class, these are the various techniques that we can use to restore information materials that are already damaged in the library for longer preservation. Okay? Now, in today's class, since we have identified the various preservation techniques that we are using, I actually happen to have a tool that can help us in today's class. So in your groups, I am going to share, you've already been given the books by the class rep. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to give each and every group this glue. So, ukiona hii glue, which preservation technique do you think we are going to use today? Because remember we are focusing on the restoration, isn't it? Can you see any over there? Which one? Conservation treatment, isn't it? Yes. So today we are going to focus on this conservation treatment over here as a restoration tool. Okay. In your groups you have been given those books. Some of those books are damaged. Siona kama hiyo kwa sababu iko damaged, si ndio? So kenye tutafanyia hiyo ni nini? Yes, Dalvin. Yes, exactly. So now, in your groups of the way you are arranged, I will be going through, and in case of any query, you can let me know as I pass through the groups. Okay, sasa nataka tuanze kufanya hiyo kazi ya restoration hiyo kitabu. I can see this group is doing okay. Yes, just like that, Lovin. Just like that. Yeah. Hey, yes. This is nice. So you've done it. Okay. So class, I'd like us to pay attention now. So this is group 1. Okay, I gave group 1 this book. It had a top page. And from just by holding it like this, can you note any difference, class?
Yes.
We had folding pages before, see it?
Yes.
But right now we are fixed through this view, see it? Yeah, so she has used the various conservation techniques. Okay, so class, if you're in the library and you want to do some preservation materials, you're free to use any of these two. For example, pest control. How do you think we can preserve our materials for long through pest control?
You spray.
Yes, fumigation and spray. Yes. Yeah, now I can see we have been able to grasp that knowledge. Okay, so we are now at the end of our session today, and I would like us to reflect on what we have learned today. Okay, so what have we learned today? Yes, Dalvin? Restoration techniques such as? Sorry? Digitalization, yes. Any other one? Fumigation, yes. Pest control, yes. Deacidification, yes. So now we are able to apply these various techniques restoration in preservation, isn't it?
Yes.
So see, we can tick here and say our objective of the day is done, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you for your attention, class. Any question? Any question? So if there are no questions, I'll send you the assignment via WhatsApp so that you can interact and do more practice on restoration of information materials. Is it okay?
Yes.
I have a message.